So in this month's green edition, I would like to talk about harvesting plants. As you can see, this tower garden definitely needs to be harvested. July is normally a great time to harvest, depending on the climate. A lot of my Arizona folks rewatch this in maybe October, November, when your time to harvest. But there are two main ways to harvest that I learned from Tim Blanc, the horticulturist and designer of this amazing tower garden. He said you can harvest the outside leaves, which I've learned, like that completely makes sense to me. You harvest off the most outer leaves and you just kind of pick them off as close as you can to the plant, which works great for Swiss chard. It can work for kale too. I've done that a little bit on my kale plants, but what I learned that works way better is figuring out where the growing tip is. So there's plants, they grow, it's like where they grow. Here, I'll grab this plant. Think you can kind of see it? Okay, so it grows right from the middle. So you gather up all the leaves of the plant and then actually just snip off right above the growing tip because you don't want to kill the plant. So therefore it's still growing from right there, and I've just harvested stuff. I harvested my greens that took like 2 seconds instead of, I don't know, 25 minutes to harvest your salad. That has been a super game changer for me, and I wanted to share. So I hope you have an amazing month of July, and I will see you with another tip or trick next month. If you have any specific questions, reach out to me and I'll make sure to answer those as well. Thank you.